I'm going to show you one of the most insane, high-risk meme coins we could get in on the ground floor-ish over on the Sui network. I'm going to grab some of this Patreons. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. I'm saying Patreons because when I do a buy alert, they see it. Let me just talk about the whole project in general, right? First things first, this Sui Frens was created by the founders of the Sui network. Now, I'm not telling you to go over here and buy this. This is just their NFT collection and stuff. You know, it's very, very popular over here. They've got a store. You can mint the NFTs, and they've got the collection, accessories, and everything else, right? Sui Frens, and take a look at some of these characters. You've got like a whale over here. That's sort of like, well, his name's Bull Shark, right? You've got Narwhal over here, right? The water type characters. So this whole Sui Frens thing is great. It's been working really well. Really well. You can go over to BlueMove, which is a DEX, but they also have an NFT space, like a marketplace, where you can see the original Sui Frens NFT collection. At least I think this is the original one. You're gonna have to check. But you can also do it just by clicking on the Sui Wallet, and you'll find the Sui Frens NFT collection over there. Shows 2,500 tweets over here, I think. I don't know if this is the original. We're going to have to check it. But anyway, brought me to my attention over here to this. Now, again, not financial advice, extremely high risk, toxic plays that I'm looking at. Yeah. The lowest of the lowest, because these can bring quick 10Xs if you get in early. And I think that this, I think it will move fast. Now, let's talk about the website. The website is just amazing. Look at how well, or the amount of detail, and like, it's just been done really, really well. And this is what you want to see when you invest in memes. You want to look for first of all, does it even have a website? Because sometimes these memes, especially when you're getting on like these nano caps, they don't even make much effort. And a lot of the times they copy and paste. They steal people's products or projects, right? So this one's already had a downfall, which makes me feel like I'm more comfortable grabbing some now rather than when the developers had it, kind of thing. I don't know what's going to happen. It might be a CTO. You know, we'll talk about that later on. So what are Sui Frens? Sui Frens are the brainchild of the same innovative team behind Sui Blockchain. I just told you that. And the characters look cool. You know, he's got his whole swimming outfit on. It's wicked. It's playing on that Sui, that kind of water kind of vibe. And this is why I think this could probably do really well. I think this could probably reach the bonding curve fast, because you're going to be dealing with this over at Move Pump. So if you want to grab some of this, you need to head over to Move Pump to be a part of it. You basically grab the Sui Wallet. You can get it as a Chrome extension, or you can get it on your phone. I think the laptop's the best way to do it. Use a ledger to, you know, if you want protection. Once you've done that, grab some Sui off of Mexc or KuCoin, wherever you are. Buy some Sui tokens on Binance. Send it to the wallet. Then you can connect your wallet to this Move Pump. I'll drop the link to this exact thing right here. You can connect your wallet and then you can buy some. Right now it's an 8K market cap. Take a look at the past. This is what I mean. It's already had a move up and then a move down. Look, there you go. There was your massive rise. Went up to like 40, 50K, I'm sure. It was close to reaching the bonding curve. See, the thing with these developers, and again, it's a shame on them, is if they're going to do anything dodgy, they need to do it before it reaches the bonding curve. At least that's what I think, because once it goes out, CTO takes over, loads of money comes in. I don't know, actually. But I feel like they got more chance of having control over the supply and stuff now. I don't know. Maybe just someone just wanted to get in and get out quick. But they made a good effort with this website. Where's it here? This website looks really, really good. So because of that, I'm going to take a tiny risk and buy some of this. So you guys will see it. And you guys can do what you want to do. Again, I'm not telling anyone else what to do. This is really high risk stuff that you're playing with over here, because we're dealing of the lowest cap coins. I'm talking 8K. No other YouTuber shows you these just incredibly toxic coins. And if they do, big up to them. I only know one other YouTuber that I've seen playing with this extremely high risk plays like this. None of us do it, because they just don't like hearing from you guys. You're sharing this and you're sharing that. But I'm all about trying different things in all different spaces in this crypto space. So 8K. If it does a 10x return, meaning your $100 turns to $1,000, this goes to 87K. We see 87K memes blow easily. Sometimes like 4, 5, 10 million. You know this if you watch the channel and just in crypto in general. 10x is 87K, 100x is $875,000 at the time recording this video. So 1000x, which is $100 turns to $100,000. I know, it's mad, right? 1000x, this goes to, hold on, times 10, 87 times 100, 870, it goes to $8.7 million. Do you think something like this with a decent looking website could probably go to $100,000? And what you can do to make sure that you're getting on the right one, because this is what I did before I even shared the video or make the video, I came over to their Twitter, what's linked to the exact website. You can see here, this is the Twitter, really tiny, 108 followers, very tiny. And you can scroll down, they show links to where they're launching, and then you can see that they were launching on Move Pump. This is it. Look at the token, the token address, the first few letters, 0x97AC. See that? 0x97AC. You want to make sure you're doing things like this. 0x97AC right up here. This is the one we're dealing with, right? So that's on their Twitter. That's on a link to the website and everything else. Not that one. That was just showing you what SuiFrens was about. This one right here. Now this could disappear. That's how incredibly high risk what you're dealing with right here. This website could disappear, or it might just stay on, or the founder may still have some tokens and say, you know what, let me just keep a bit. So if it does, do well, he makes some good money as well. I don't know who created this, but all I know is it looks incredibly good, and I'm just going to take a small risk. I'm not going to put thousands. You don't need to, something like this. Like I said, should it 1000x from there, $100 turns to 100 grand, which is insane amounts of money for someone that had nothing. So if you don't want to miss these plays here and getting on these market caps here, you're welcome to become a patron. The link will be in the info section. Click it, come over. I highly recommend you check it out. Can't get my words out. They see these videos first, which means they have the opportunity to get in on the lowest market caps possible. Yeah, so you decide what you want to do. Links in the info section. Click it. I always say become my exclusive VIP partner to this one here, because where's it gone? It unlocked the post. Hold on, there it is. Unlocks the post, so you can see all the stuff, buying, selling, staking, memeing, all that stuff. Yeah, and if you can't afford it, the my words. This tier here, it keeps changing. The CEO tier is moving. This one will give you access to the VIP Telegram group. It's a powerful network. You're super alerted to projects in there. There's smart investors in there sharing great projects all the time. Come check it out. Be part of a powerful network. You need it in this crypto space. Trust me, you do. So yeah, that was this. I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see if it can go back to where it was right up there. Let's see if it can reach the bonding curve, and I'll bring another video if this thing explodes. Like I said, a 10x is 87k cap. Let's see if SuiFrens, not that one, I'm going to close that, keep going to it. Let's see if it can do it. Cheers. Never be defeated.